Bears are dangerous game, an adrenaline rush like no other. Got bears?
One of the things we want to make sure we're taking care of is scent control, and we use Scent Killer from Wildlife Research, more than 99% effective. We'll spray down, take care of as much human odor as we possibly can so we can have a successful hunt.
Here at All Terrain Bear Hunts, we get many big bears, and there's a lot of things we do in preparation to get them. But one thing we've found that we use on our way in, if it's a walk or an ATV ride, we use this Ultimate Bear Lure by Wildlife Research Center. It's I've used them all, and this stuff really works good on the way in. A bear could be in the area, and you know, he could cross our path and pick up on us and follow us in. So we're going to give this a go for Adam's bear tonight, and hopefully we pick up a big one.
Hard shot, baby. That's my first Manitoba black bear. Corey, it has been an incredible hunt. I am just awestruck by these bears that you got up here. You know, when you think about it, there's so many things that come together on a hunt like this. We sit out in a place that's pretty buggy, and having our thermocell running, you know, we don't even think about the bugs, and it makes a hunt like this enjoyable. All the things that come together, but most importantly, man, you have just worked your tail off, and I'm thrilled.
Let's take a look at some of the All Bear TV gear, our equipment showcase, that'll help you understand the kind of equipment to consider for your next bear hunt. There's nothing like a great pack. This is a Keys Tree Locker hunting pack. It opens up in like a medicine chest. There's all kinds of compartments inside. That's what we use. You know, we have a lot of things that we need on stand for 8-10 hour sets. Our camouflage is Predator's Green Deception. The high contrast is remarkable. It helps us blend in almost invisible, literally, with the spruce that we hunt in up here in northern Manitoba on stand. And then there's this right here. This is the thermocell, everyone. If you don't have one for a bear hunt or any kind of buggy environment, well, you should. You can see this smoke that it's emitting. It's scentless. It's magical. I'm not kidding you. In any buggy environment, if you put this slightly upwind of you, and it won't hurt you for breathing it. Yeah, if you know, you need to be in a ventilated area or room, but there will be no mosquitoes or black flies that will bother you, and you can take my word for that. Let's take a minute and talk about the bow and our accessories. We choose the Winchester Archery Quicksilver bows. We accessorize them with Archer Extremes accessories. This is their stabilizer. This is the carnivore sight from Archer Extreme. And this is the Vapor Quiver. All super light. Noise reduction. There's no vibration. And they're so light it almost takes weight off the total weight of your bow. I know that's impossible, but you get my point. We use the Trophy Taker drop away rest, and we use their terminal T-lock and shuttle T-lock broadheads. This is the shuttle T-lock, 100 grain, one piece, fixed. That, along with stamped scent free with Scent Killer from Wildlife Research Center, that's our secret to killing big bears consistently on All Bear TV. It's a big deal for an animal that's been around for a while. Scent Killer, supercharged, more than 99% effective.
Last days of hunts are sometimes pretty magical, and I'm hoping it's my time.